everybody, today we are going to see about various insert options that are available in Word. There are a lot of options available within the insert ribbon. We will see one by one. This will be very useful for you. Please watch the entire video. Drop cap. A drop cap is where the first character of the first paragraph is made larger, taking up several lines of text or the first few sentences. Drop caps are used in various media, including books, newspaper articles, documents, and web pages. Drop caps add style or grab a reader's attention. Now let us see the drop cap option that is available in MS Word. Suppose you want to make the first letter of a paragraph to be very prominent. You can use this drop cap. You would have seen this drop cap option in different magazines, newspaper, etc. Let us see how we can do it. You select the first letter and click drop cap, click dropped. Now you can see this first letter T of tourism is dropped for 3 lines. So you can also click T to be dropped in alignment with the margin. There are different drop cap options. I'm clicking this. You can see dropped, within margin. You can determine the number of lines to be dropped. Say I'm clicking 4. So you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. This drop cap is dropped for 4 lines. You can see here in the drop cap option. If you want to reduce for 2 lines, you can reduce, click OK. It will be dropped for only 2 lines. So this drop cap option is a very useful tool. So the distance from the text also you can increase as well as you can decrease. I am decreasing it. So now you can see. So the first letter will be very prominent in the drop cap. Word art. Word art is a gallery of textiles that you can add to your publications to create decorative effects such as shadowed or mirrored. It is equivalent to a reflected text. You can use word art to add special text effects to your documents. So there is another option called word art. If you click word art, there are different types of word art is available. Click a particular word art. So I am typing educrawl and I am clicking OK. You can see here this word art is available. Here you can change the colors. If you want to give different colors, you can give different colors. So I am selecting this color. Shape outline, you can give a different color. So if you want to give red color, it will be in red color. You can also change the shape. The educrawl shape, it is changing. You can see here. So different shapes are available. So let us give a particular shape. Yeah, this looks good. I want to edit the text. You click edit and you can also edit the text here. You can give bold, italic or any options you can give. You can even change the spacing. You see tight, very tight, normal, loose. This is very loose. In word art you can change the different types of spacing. Even height you can give, vertical text you can change into a vertical text. The alignment you can give left alignment, center, right, justify, and you can even letter justify, stretch. Different options are available. So that is available in this word art option. So you can see I am typing another one, educrawl, and I'm clicking OK. So you can see here in word art tools formats these options are available. So you can also change different types of word art. Suppose after creating the word art, if you want to change the type of word art, you can change that. You can apply the shadow effects and other effects you can apply here. Rotate it. You can see here you can rotate. I'm rotating. So here this type of rotation also you can do. Useful tool. Clipboards. Clipboards are graphic elements used to create a design. In other words, this is a raster or vector picture that may have any graphic format. For instance, a raster clipboard comprises of photographs, drawings which are composed of pixels. The scanned images can also be used here. Now, you can also insert clipboards. Clipboards are pictures that are available in Microsoft Word. You can have clipboards from online also. You can see clipboard on Office Online. Suppose if you want to search with related to computer, you click computer. You have a lot of computer pictures. Whichever picture you want, you can select and insert. There is an option here. You can see here, click here and you can insert. I can type bus and search for it. So bus picture will be available. You can insert the bus picture. So this option is available in MS Word. This option is called a clipboard. Smart chart. A smart chart graphic is a visual representation of your information and ideas. You create one by choosing a layout that fits your message. Some layouts, such as organization charts and Venn diagrams, portray specific kinds of information, while others simply enhance the appearance of a bulleted list. There's an option called Smart Art. This will be useful for students. You can see there are different types of options are there. You can have list, processes, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid. So suppose I'm inserting pyramid, you can see the pyramid like structure will be there and you can add the text. Which type of pyramid you want, you can change. The colors, you can have different colors. So it is a very useful tool. Insert smart art. So suppose if you want to create cycle, you can select this and you can give the cycle. Chart. A chart is a tool you can use to communicate data graphically. Including a chart in your document can allow your reader to see the meaning behind the numbers, and it can make showing comparisons and trends easier. Is insert chart. You can have different type of charts, line charts, pie chart, bar chart. So suppose I am selecting a column chart, I'm clicking OK. The detail. Okay. So you can see here different categories and series are available. If you make any changes, that changes will be applicable in this chart. So that will be changed here, and the series name also you can change. So you can see here the final graph will be like this. So for milk, if you give another name for that, based on the series, it will be the graph will be available. And you can also edit the data of the graph. If you want to make any changes, you can make changes. At the same time, if I want to change the graph type, you can change. You can change to line graph, bar graph, or any type of graph. You can change the chart type. So it is a very useful tool. Pictures. Word allows you to insert pictures into your documents such as logos of companies, photos, and other pictures to give more interest or a more professional speed look to your document. Now let us see how to insert pictures into your Word document. So click insert, then you click picture. So suppose you have a collection of pictures, you can select that picture and click insert. The picture will be inserted in the Word document. Shapes. A shape field is drawing canvas and is similar to a placeholder, which is automatically created from any drawn picture. Drawn pictures, also called vector drawings, are created from lines, curves, rectangles, and other objects. Auto shapes are drawn pictures. The next option is shapes. So insert shape. If you want a rectangle, you can draw. You can even color it. If you want to create a circle, you can create a circle. If you press shift and draw a circle, it will become a perfect circle. If you want a perfect square, same, and press shift and drag it, you will get a perfect square. So I am going to insert a line. You can see here arrow marks can be inserted. Different shapes are also available. Here there are some 3D effects. You select that 3D effect and you can apply that 3D effect to that particular shape. Let me select this one. You can see the 3D effect is applied here. You can see the depth color. You can change the depth color. I am changing the depth color. This is the 3D depth color. You can rotate the object. You can see here I am rotating the object upwards, sideways. You can rotate. See, you can rotate the 3D object. So you have an option called depth. Zero depth. It is zero depth, 36, 72, 144 depth, 288 and infinity. The direction also you can decide. Which direction you want that 3D effect, you can decide. Very interesting option called lighting. So you can see here in this 3D object, wherever you want to give a lighting, you can give. Top left, if you want to give a lighting, you can give. Suppose if you want to have a lighting from the bottom, you can give a lighting here. So you can see this picture, it will change. The lighting option from right hand side, lighting option from left hand side. So it changes. So these options are available in 3D effects. So the surface also you can decide whether it is a matte surface or a plastic, or if you want to have a metal surface or a wireframe, you can select a wireframe type. Shadow effects also you can decide. So you can see drop shadow, perspective shadow. So you can also change the color of the shadow. You can select any color and you can give the shadow effect. Text box. A text box is an object you can add to your document that lets you put and type text anywhere in your file. Text boxes can be useful for drawing attention to specific text and can also be helpful when you need to move text around in your document. Now I will teach you a very important tool. It is text box. In insert, there is an option called text box. There are different types of text box: simple text box, alphabet code, alphabet sidebar, annual code, annual sidebar, and different types are there. Just you can even draw a text box. You can just draw a text box, or you can go for a simple text box. So I'm deleting the content. So I have typed a content. You can see now, you can see this is a small text box. The content of the text box is more, so that you can see only the part of the content. So now I will show you a tool, very useful tool. You double click on the text box, you click text box tool. Here there is an option called format. Here there is an option called create link. So I am going to create link between two text boxes. Click create link. Your cursor has become like a beaker. You can see here it is a beaker. Now I am taking this beaker. I am entering into another text box. The beaker starts pouring the content. See? So it has poured the excess content into another text box. Suppose if I want to insert another text box, you can draw this. So from this text box, the overflow content can be transferred to this text box. Creating the link, pour it. So you can see, you can also create link to another text box. From this text box, I am creating link to another text box. So you can see we have interconnected the text boxes. All the 4 text boxes are interconnected. The excess content has been poured into another text box. You would have seen in newspaper, a part of the content will be in one text box, and maybe in the forthcoming pages the continuation will be in another text box. So suppose if I want to break the link, you can also break the link. From the third text box I want to break the link, you click break link here. So the content from the fourth text box has been transferred to the third text box. Suppose if I want to break the link between second and third, once again click the second text box and click break link. Now there is link between only the first and second text box. Suppose if I want to break link from the second text box, you click break link. Now you can see only the first text box has the text. You can also change the direction of the text. You can click here the text direction. You can give the color, background color. You can also change the shape of the text box. If you want a cloud type of text box, you can change to that shape. So these are the options that are available in text boxes. Page number. A page number is the number of specific page in a document. The document may be printed like a book or a magazine or electronic, like a Microsoft Word document or an e-book. Now let us see how to insert page number in Microsoft Word. Now let us insert the page number in this Word document. Here there are around 70 pages, so I want to insert the page numbers. There is an option called insert page number. Number at the top of the page. At the top of the page that you have 3 options, that is left, center and right. So let me select center option. Now you can see the page number is at the center of the page at the top. Suppose I want to insert the page number at the bottom of the page. Here also you have 3 options: left, center and right. Let me select right. So now you can see the page numbers appears at the bottom right hand side. Header, footer. A header is a text that is placed at the top of a page, while a footer is placed at the bottom or foot of a page. Now let us see how to create a header and footer in MS Word. Header is used for writing certain headings at the top of the page. So you can see, there are options, plain text. So there are different options are there. Let me select 3 columns so that I can give the book name as sports tourism. So this is for MBA. So I can type the institution name. This will appear at the top of the pages. You can see the header is here, sports tourism, MBA and Shankara. There is an option called footer. Options blank with 3 columns, alphabet, annual. Let me select annual. Notes about sports tourism. So now you can see this is the header, this is the footer. Hyperlink. A hyperlink is a word, phrase or image that you can click on to jump to a new document or a new section within the current document. Hyperlinks are found in nearly all web pages, allowing you to click and
navigate.
Now we will see another insert option, that is insert hyperlink. Suppose if I want to create a hyperlink for this sports tourism, select this and click hyperlink. Sports tourism India PDF. If I click this sports tourism, click OK. Now you can see if I press Control plus click, sports tourism in India PDF is open. So this is creating a hyperlink. Now let us insert an hyperlink to a website. So click hyperlink. So click OK. Now if you press Control plus click, opening the corresponding website.
Equation. An equation is a mathematical sentence. Now let us see how to insert equation in MS Word.
In insert option, there is an option called equation. So if you want to insert mathematical equation in your Word document, you can use this. Here suppose I want to insert the area of the circle, a equal to pi r square, click this. So this equation will be inserted. Suppose if I want to insert another equation, insert equation. Suppose I want to insert binomial theorem equation, click this. So that equation will be inserted. Here you can see here in this equation tools, you have all types of symbols, all types of fractions, script. So whatever equation if you want to insert, you can use this option. Shortcut for this, if you press Alt plus equal to, automatically equation will come. Now you can start typing the equation. Whichever equation you want, you can insert that and you can type this. So this is how an equation is made.
Date and time. Inserting date and time in MS Word. It is a very useful tool. We can update the date and time automatically. Let us see how we can do it.
In insert, there is an option called date and time. If you click date and time, there are different formats of date and time are available. You can see here day, month, date as well as year. If you want the date to be updated automatically, click update automatically and click OK. Tomorrow the date will be automatically updated. So you can see here the update option is making the date as 1 May 2021. If I click here and if I click update, the date will be current date 10 May 2021. So that option is available here in date and time. Click update automatically.
Now let us see how to insert a cover page and a blank page in an MS Word document.
I have a Word document. This Word document is a notes about sports tourism. I am going to create a cover page. In insert, there is an option called cover page. Click and you can click different formats of cover page. I am selecting this cubicles cover page. First page content is available here. So you can type the company name. You can type the document type. I'm giving as sports tourism. Document title, notes. So I have typed my name and you can also select the year. So here there is an option, you can select this and you can click this. Suppose I want to insert a blank page in between these two pages. I can click here and click insert blank page. So you can see a blank page is inserted in between these two pages. So this is a very useful option. Suppose if you want, no need to press enter and other things. So if you press blank page, automatically the blank page will be inserted.
Symbol. A symbol is a mark, sign, or word that indicates, signifies, or is understood as representing an idea, object, or relationship. Now let us see how to insert symbol in MS Word. Click Insert Symbol. More symbols. You can see different types of symbols are available. Whichever symbol you want, you select that symbol and click Insert. Any number of symbols can be inserted. You can also change the different font types so that you get more symbols. Bookmark. A bookmark is a placeholder for a document that will allow you to quick access to that page instead of having to browse or search for it. Now let us see another important tool, insert bookmark. So you can see you can create a bookmark to assign a name to a specific point in a document. You can make hyperlinks to jump directly to a particular bookmark. So let us see, if I click bookmark, I can give a name for that particular bookmark. Say I am giving AA, I am clicking add. Now here the bookmark is there. Creating a bookmark, the fifth page, insert bookmark. So I am creating as BB add. So let me go to the 63rd page. Here I am creating a bookmark. Let it be CC. I am adding. Now you can see here bookmark. If you click the bookmark, if I want to go to AA, click go to, automatically it will go to the first unit 1 page. If I click BB, it will go to the corresponding page, and if I click CC, it will go to the particular page. So you can create bookmarks, and you can also create hyperlinks to these bookmarks. Suppose you click hyperlink, you can click the bookmark, you can see the hyperlink options are available here. So AA, BB, CC, all these bookmarks are available. You can use this for hyperlinking also. So this is a very useful tool. Cross-reference. A cross-reference is a hyperlink to bookmark in a document and is stored as a URL in an item's rich content field. Now let us see how to create cross-reference in MS Word. Cross-reference. So it go to use media to build relationship. Insert. Close. So you will see here, if I press Ctrl and click, automatically it will go to this option. Similarly, you can create any cross references. So once again, I am creating another cross reference. Click cross reference. So let me go to this option, insert. So if I want to go to 7, so control and click, it will be directly going to this option. So this is a important option called cross referencing. So you can see here, it may be a heading, footmark, equation, anything, the paragraph number, page number, anything can be created and insert as a hyperlink. Okay, it can be inserted as a hyperlink. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel EduCrawl.